In this video, let's talk about how to use attributes as an extra search tag inside of Etsy. Now, in order to use the attributes as an extra search tag, you'll need to simply add in relevant tags that are available inside of your particular item. So whenever you add an item inside of the search bar on the top, relevant search tags should pop up just like this. So in this situation, only 4 attributes are available, but in your case, you might have different categories of it, as I said, depending upon the product that you added in. Now, what you'll need to do is you'll need to just fill out every relevant attribute. If the attribute is relevant for your item, you can simply add in the attribute that is given. As I said, you're going to see more options such as style or even patterns, depending upon the product that you added in. So let's say, for example, you added in a color, the primary color as gold, and a style as art decor. This will help Etsy's algorithm to index your item for those exact words automatically. So whenever you add in these attributes, they work as an extra search tags or an SEO feature, which lets Etsy find your items more inside of their platform. The other important thing is make sure you do not repeat attributes in your tags so that they do not overlap. Only make sure that you add in relevant tags and they do not repeat. So by following this exact process, you can use the attributes as an extra tag inside of Etsy. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.